Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be trying to take out the purple, this purple that I have on my hair. I've had this color in for like a couple of weeks now and I'm tired of it. I want to go back to my blonde because I miss it. So I'm going to be trying a couple of things. Hopefully the first one works, and if not, we'll see what happens. But if you guys want to see how I take out this purple out of my hair, keep on watching. Okay y'all, so I just put on something that I don't mind getting dirty, so because this is a messy process. I've done this before, but not to take out color. I've done it just to like moisturize my hair, to deep condition it. But I noticed the last time that I did it, it stripped out the toner that I had for my blonde hair. So I'm thinking, don't mind this. Don't mind it. So I'm thinking hopefully it'll take out this purple without any like damage. So this is what I have. So I'm gonna be using the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This is something that's very popular nowadays. Or was really booming. A lot of natural hair people were using it to deep condition their hair and to bring their hair to pop back to life. I actually have a video about that, so if you guys want to see it, I'll put it up here or I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use this with some apple cider vinegar and try to get this hair color out. So we'll see what happens. So as y'all can see, nothing happened. I want to lie to myself and be like, no, Solo, some came out. But that's a lie. So yeah, I don't think it did anything when it comes to color. I mean, at least I got something, I guess. Since that didn't work, let's just try the bleach soap cap or something like that, or something like that, or shampoo cap or something. Let's try it out. I'm just gonna take some clarifying shampoo and I'm gonna put a bunch in here. Ah! That's what I get for trying to do stuff on camera. That's what it is. I got this at like the dollar store for you guessed it, $1. Okay, so now we're gonna get the bleach. I have the quick blue high performance thingamabob. This is what I've used before to bleach my own hair. So this is what I have and this is what I'm gonna use. Add a little bit. Please don't fall. And I'm also just gonna add a little bit of black castor oil to make sure that my hair has at least a little bit of moisture while I'm doing this to it. It's a conditioning oil. So this is what it is looking like right now. Ugly, right? Now I'm just gonna mix this together. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. If I'm not, let me know. But like, don't bash me, just like with love. Thanks. Okay, this is mostly shampoo, so it shouldn't be too damaging. And I'm not using you know, I did not know that developer was the thing that damaged your hair. I always thought it was like the actual powder, but I read it was like the powder or the bleach just like opens up the cuticle, and then like the developer is what actually like causes the damage. But yo no sabía, I didn't know. You learn new things every day. You guys like my haircut? If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll try to link it up below or down below, or I mean up or below, to the side, to the floor. Okay, so this is a pretty creamy, well, creamy for me consistency. It has a little bit of bubbles. I'm gonna section it off again, and my hair's not dry, so it might not like do much because I'm pretty sure when you bleach your hair, you want it to be dry and stuff. But I just wet it and I don't want to like take the time to dry it, so let's just see if this works, because that is still purple. Okay, I used a lot of more than I needed. I only used a little bit of this. So next time you don't have to make, if you have short hair, you don't have to like make a lot of this stuff. But now I'm just gonna rub it in to hopefully lift the color. I bet you can low-key see it already coming off, so I'm not gonna leave this in for very long. I've been rubbing it for like a couple of minutes now, not very long. I feel like I can kind of see like orangey tones coming out instead of like the purple. I can kind of see purple here. So I don't know if I should just keep rubbing or should I just like leave it alone, let it do its thing for a couple of minutes before I take it off. I'm not gonna leave it in for long because it's not like I want to, I don't know. I just don't want to like damage it. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm just gonna leave this in for like, I think I'm gonna leave this in for 5 to 8 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off. So I'll see y'all then, and let's see if this actually worked. So, and if I have any damage. So I'll see y'all when I take it off. Alright. Okay y'all, so I've had it in for a little bit over 5 minutes and you can obviously see that the color has lifted. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so also make sure guys just to be in like in a ventilated room because the smell is very strong even without using the developer. But yeah, I feel like I should leave it in for a little longer because I see like purple pieces. So I might just leave it in for like 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna take it off and then we'll see the final results. Well yeah, it's coming off. So yeah, we'll see the final results. Okay, I'll see y'all in a couple of minutes. Okay, this is how it's looking after 2 minutes. I don't know if that made a difference really, but let's get this out of my hair. Okay y'all, so I just finished taking it out of my hair and I also shampooed it with like purple shampoo to kind of tone it because it does look a little like orangey, but I don't think this looks orangey. This more looks like gold to me, which I don't mind, but it might look orangey too as well. I don't really know the difference, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You guys kind of see that there are some places that still look a little purple, especially like right here, right here. I just want, so I'm gonna be touching on my roots a little bit, like putting up a bit of highlights. So I want to tone it now when I know I'm gonna need to bleach it again to then tone it. I don't want to tone it twice, so I'm just gonna leave it alone and deep condition it. So yeah, you should tone and then deep condition. That's what you would do. But now I'm just gonna deep condition. I think I'm actually also gonna do a protein treatment because it's still bleach. And there could also always still be some damage. You always want to keep the integrity of your hair, so make sure to deep condition or do a protein treatment. It doesn't have to be like a crazy one. It could be as simple as like rice water or like a basic one that you buy at CVS or something like that, so you guys can get that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment below if you guys try this. Like, I want to know if it works for you as well. Let me know what colors you guys have dyed your hair before, and just yeah, let me know whatever you guys might want to see next. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.